This little video presentation was put together to give you an idea of how footwear can immediately influence running mechanics. The mechanism as to why this adaptation occurs is explained elsewhere in this edition of the ODR, and you can view a full explanation done by Blaise Dubois under the original submissions section. As well, there's some additional information on impact loading under the editorial. So what you're about to see is 3 videos taken in succession. This female runner did not receive any cueing or information on running form prior to these videos being taken, and we did a trial of her in her traditional running shoes, in a pair of minimalist shoes, as well as a barefoot condition. So we'll first watch this runner in slow motion in traditional shoes. Her cadence was 164 steps a minute, which is just slightly shy of where we'd like to see her at 180 steps a minute, plus minus 10. She's a rear foot striker in these shoes, and her single foot stride time is 0.334 seconds. If you take a look at where her foot contacts the ground, it lands out in front of her body. Ideally, we'd like to see her foot in contact with that line or become very close to it. If her foot lands more underneath her body, she's able to use her body's natural impact load mechanisms to absorb the forces of running. To give you an idea that we'll use all the way through these videos, her leg extension angle here is 166 degrees, and as her foot lands more underneath her body, that angle will become smaller.